In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the PDURATION function in Microsoft Excel. So the PDURATION function just returns how many periods it will require some sort of investment to reach a specified dollar amount with a given percentage return in each period. So in this example, we want to say, hey, how many years will it take to have $100,000 become $1,000,000 if we get an annualized 7% return? To do this using the PDURATION function, we can do equals PDURATION. The rate is 7%, and the present value, so what value it is right now, it's $100,000, and then future value. So what do we want this to be in the future? It's $1,000,000. And then close parentheses. As you can see, it will take roughly 34 years for $100,000 to become a million. But one of the great things about the PDURATION function is you can see how the time horizon is impacted whenever you change these variables. So for example, let's say we go down here, we want to say, well, how will, we would say, okay, well, how will time that it takes to reach the savings goal be impacted if we change the investment percentage? So here we can do this kind of quickly right here and say, okay, PDURATION, the rate in this example is 1%, present value is $100,000, and the future value still is a million. And as you can see, with 1% annual return, it'll take us 231 years to reach the goal. I'm going to lock this down real quick so I can drag this down. But as you can see though, right, going from 1 to 2% makes it almost in half. And then going from 7 to 8%, for example, will reduce the time horizon by roughly 4 years, and from 6 to 7% by roughly 5 years. It just quickly make a graph to kind of show what that looks like. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.